Welcome to Me with Nature, where we explore the beauty and the vastness of the snow-clad mountains, the Himalayas. Last day, we went to some local tourist spots and pre-etched its beauty, such as the Banerjee Falls and the Ranka Monastery. I was totally mesmerized by the pure cultural heritage of Sikkim and their people. Well, today we are going to explore the rest of Gangtok's local tourist spots, such as the Flower Exhibition Center and the Tashi Viewpoint. First off, we went to the Flower Exhibition Center in the heart of Gangtok. The flowers were located inside of a greenhouse, and as you all know that Sikkim is called the botanist's paradise, there were flower types that you can hardly imagine. I just recognized a few of them, and of course the orchids. There were at least like 25 or more types of orchids there. It was unbelievable. There were many other flowers too, some having strong fragrances, some having vibrant colors, and some having both. There were also countless local flowers that were purely unknown to me. Anyways, after some time I lost my curiosity as I was really overwhelmed by the amount of knowledge I could get there. So, we went to the local waterfall before we went on to the Tashi Viewpoint. The waterfall that was in our journey was somewhat different from the Banjakri. The waterfall was boundless and bold. It had a raw feeling that you couldn't get at Banjakri because it was already surrounded by many man-made structures. It was basically like a tiger in the wild other than a zoo. The water seemed so refreshing that you couldn't help but jump in. I also got the opportunity to wear Sikkimese clothes and enjoy the waterfall. After that, we went to the viewpoint. Now, Tashi Viewpoint is very famous for scenic beauty, and any mountain lover will find it a paradise. As I was a mountain lover too, it was nothing less than a paradise, at least for a 10-year-old me. We could see the whole of Gangtok city as well as the valley. I tried to find out the hotel we were in from that view, but it was too hard for me. The view is indescribable. It was so calming that I wished I could grab a cup of hot noodles every morning and just stare at it endlessly. It was such a good view. Well, this was for our third day in Sikkim, and we completed everything there was to watch at Gangtok. The next day was a big day because we would go to far off places now. I enjoyed that day very much. See you tomorrow.